Well, hello, children. I'm coming to you from the depths of my kitchen, and I'm creating you a series of 5-minute little videos, hopefully to talk to you a little bit about the research paper, considering we haven't gotten to meet about that. Please know that a lot of things are up in the air right now, so we're going to do the best we can. And I'm going to just start going through the checklist part. So if you picked this up at school, which you were supposed to have, you probably have a copy of the research paper, guidelines, and so forth. If not, I've attached them to Google Classroom and the stream there for materials under research paper so you can check them out. But I just want to go through the criteria first. Then we'll talk about a separate video with the topics and your thesis statement. Okay, I'm going to make a separate video for that. So first things first. All right, so the paper itself needs to be at least 6 pages in length. Okay, each page is 47 points. So the paper is worth a pretty substantial amount of points because typically we spend about 6 weeks on it. Now, all of this stuff and dates and so forth that are here tentatively are tentative. Okay, and some of them have already changed because we're going to be out of school for 2 weeks. So, you need to keep all of these things in mind, that things can shift and change, and we're just going to have to deal with it as it comes. So, as of right now, what I would like is a thesis statement and a topic next Thursday. And I would like you to try to submit that through Google Classroom. I'll put the assignment up there so you can see it. Okay. If you do not have access to the internet, okay, obviously there's no reason to get frantic about it. Don't worry. We'll figure it out whenever it is that we come back. Okay. But at this point, those that do have access, I will start talking about, like I said, a topic in the next video. But the biggest thing I want is a topic and a thesis, hopefully by next Thursday, submitted via Google Classroom, and then I can reply to your submission. The dates that are listed here, okay, right in here, they are really going to probably move, okay, because we just don't know what's going to happen. Obviously, you're not going to have a rough draft on April 2nd, especially even if we get back in 2 weeks. That's probably not going to work. So please don't worry about that yet, okay? And don't worry about the whole peer editing section of this sheet, because we'll deal with that when we get back, okay? The other thing I want you to at least think about, and I'm going to show you a video about, that'll be the next thing after I talk about the topic and so forth, is 8 scholarly sources, okay? I'm going to show you how to find scholarly sources and how you can find that via the internet. And again, if you don't have access to the internet, then don't worry about it. We'll deal with it when we get home, when we get home. I am home, when we get back to school, okay? And then, of course, you have a works cited page. That will be part of this MLA format, works cited page. No, it does not count as one of your 6 pages. Nice try. We will use Turnitin. That will be an aspect to add in as well. Okay, and as of right now, the paper is going to be due on the 27th of April at 8 a.m. Okay, that could also change. Might back up a week. It just depends on what happens in these next week and a half. Again, we're all kind of muddling through this, and I'm hoping that you guys are all staying safe, and that everything is going well with you guys. And that's all we can kind of do at this point. So the next video installment from Mrs. Moses' Kitchen will be in reference to finding a topic and hopefully solidifying a thesis statement and how you will go about creating that. And then I'll put another installment about researching and analysis, because we're writing an analytical paper. This is not an informational paper. So again, all of these things to come. I'm sure you're thrilled about seeing me in my kitchen, and I will be talking to you very shortly. See you later.